Everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuke. If you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and share the channel to somebody that you know it may be of help. So let's get right into today's question. It's on factorization. The question says factorize completely 9y squared minus what? 16x squared. So our solution is actually simple one. Now remember, our 9 means what? 3 times 3, which also means 3 squared. Our 16 is what? 4 times 4, which also means what? 4 squared. So now in place of what? 9 here, I'm going to put this. And in place of 16 here, I'm going to put this. So let's put that and see. Okay, so we have this as what? 3 squared multiplied by what? Y squared minus. So 16 becomes 4 squared multiplied by what? So we have x what squared. Now from this, what can we realize? Okay. Now we can recall difference of 2 squared. But before we do that, 3 squared times y squared, 3 squared times y squared can also be written as what? 3y what squared. Okay, from indices. And 4 squared multiplied by x squared can also be written as what? 4x in bracket squared. Okay. All right. Because when you say 3y squared, it means 3y times what? 3y, which means 3 times what? 3 times 3 and y times y. So 3 times 3 is 3 squared, y times y is y squared. All right. So we're also going to replace 3 squared times y squared with this. So I have it as 3y squared minus what? This becomes 4x squared. Okay. So from that, we can realize something here. What can we realize? Now this looks like what? A squared minus what? B squared. Okay. Which means difference of 2 squared, which we can write as A minus B times what? A plus B. So if I apply it to this, A is 3y, B is 4x. So we can say this becomes what? We have 3y, okay, minus what? We have 4x, okay, multiplied by what? 3y plus what? 4x, okay. So we have this, or we start with what? 3y plus 4x multiplied 3y minus 4x. So either this or this gives us a simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share the link of this YouTube channel to some students that it may be of help. I'll see you guys soon.